Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about Robinhood margin investing, what it is, how it works, and the risks you need to know before using it. Margin can be a powerful tool, but it's not for everyone. Let's break it down. Here's how it works. Robinhood typically matches $1 for every $1 you have in eligible assets. Essentially, you double your buying power by borrowing from your broker. But just like any loan, you have to pay interest. Right now, the rate starts at 6.75%, and like other rates in Robinhood, it's subject to change. How margin magnifies gains and losses. When you invest borrowed money, you're magnifying both potential gains and potential losses. For example, let's say you have $1,000 in your Robinhood account. You enable margin and borrow another $1,000, giving you $2,000 to invest. You put it all into a stock, but after an earnings report, the stock drops 25%. That 25% loss is applied to the $2,000 total investment, which is $500. But since you only had $1,000 of your own money, that's actually a 50% loss on your original investment. This is the key risk with margin. Losses can be magnified far more than your gains.